Hey guys, we are buying crude at the market and this will be the entry and the stop for this, and this will be a swing trade. It will be going till tomorrow. So let's see what happens. I'll be updating you as we go along on this trade. Hey guys, this is the update in the crude oil trade. As you can see, we are moving toward our target after a little pain in the trade, but when you keep your stop based on the studies, you'll most likely are safe. So anyways, we are moving towards our targets. Let's see if we can get hit today, or if not, maybe tomorrow. So we'll be updating you as we go along. Hey guys, so as you can see, we are booking our target over there. We are actually not becoming any greedy, so we are booking full of the profits at the market. And this is how the power of the structure works. When you understand the market concept, each and every single trade becomes this much easy. So another trade into our pocket. I'll be searching for more trades and I'll be updating you as we go along in the commodity market. So I'll see you guys in the next trade. Thank you so much.